Hi team, this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. So we're going to start new batch on Snowflake with AWS Cloud online training. From new batch is going to start from 1st June 2026. The class timings morning 7:45 to 9 a.m. If anyone interested to learn cloud technologies, Snowflake with data engineer, Snowflake with developer roles, reach out this number 9538160185. My institute website www.nandinisoftware.com. The course duration is 35 working days. Okay, the highlights of this training will provide you after class is done. We're going to provide you recording videos. Interactive classes is done. After that, we're going to give the recording videos, real-time scenarios we're explaining, materials we're providing, which already predefined materials are there. So along with project explanation, resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarifications, interview questions and answers we're explaining. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. This is the WhatsApp number to reach out for enrollment, for doubts and clarifications. Uh, uh, for inquiries, reach out this number. Okay, thank you so much. So the mainly different technologies we're covering along with Snowflake. New batch is going to start from 1st June 2026 from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. Thank you.